Intro. Hey, hustlers. Welcome back to Money Insight, where we turn every day into payday. Christmas is around the corner, and today, I've got a game plan for you to make $100 in the next 23 days. If you're ready to deck the halls with cash, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into the fast cash before Christmas guide. 1. Gig economy hustle. Dive into the gig economy. Platforms like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, and Upwork are your best friends. Offer your skills, whether it's graphic design, writing, or running errands. Get those gigs lined up and start building your holiday fund. 2. Sell unwanted items. Declutter and profit. Go through your room, closet, or garage. Find items you don't need and sell them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or even host a garage sale. Turn your clutter into Christmas cash. 3. Online surveys and reviews. Let your opinion pay. Sign up for online survey sites or platforms that pay for reviews. Companies are eager to hear what you think, and you'll be stacking up those dollars faster than you can say, jingle bells. 4. Seasonal jobs. Tap into seasonal opportunities. Many businesses are hiring for the holiday rush. Whether it's retail, delivery, or customer service, snag a temporary gig. 'Tis the season for extra income. 5. Quick tasks and odd jobs. Days 21 to 23. Time for quick wins. Offer your services for odd jobs in your neighborhood. Shoveling snow, wrapping gifts, or assisting with holiday decorations. People are willing to pay for a helping hand. Conclusion. There you have it, folks, the fast cash before Christmas plan. Dive into the gig economy, sell unwanted items, take surveys, grab a seasonal job, and tackle quick tasks. If you're ready to make that $100 before Santa makes his way down the chimney, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Your holiday hustle starts now. Merry Cash Moss, and until next time, stay inspired.